Hello, my friends. Well, if you watched my last video, you saw that I did a swipe with Artist Loft Ready Mixed paints. I've diluted them with a Floetrol and glue mix, and I'll put all the details down below. This time, I thought I'd do a warm and cool swipe. So I mixed Phthalo Blue with white to get a lighter shade of blue, and then white with just a touch of this warm or deep yellow to come up with this warmer tone rather than just a white background. So I mixed yellow, orange. I mixed, let's see, I don't think I have any custom mixes here. Oh yes, the green, it's just too dark for me, so I added some white to that. Other than that, everything came straight out of a bottle. So I'll start with the warm side, and then I'm going to turn it around to swipe the other direction. It's just so much easier with swiping towards you. And yeah, let's get going. I'm going to start with the yellow because I don't mind if the yellow happens to meld with the blue a little bit. It makes it pretty green, so that's fine. Maybe some more yellow. Yeah, might as well go 2 of each, right? Okay, and I have plenty left. I should have gone bigger. Okay, the swipe color is just white, titanium white, and I've added, it's 1 ounce of white, and I've added 3 drops of silicone. So that's going right here. And here we go. I'm just using a old business card. This was my previous card. It's on a cardstock material. But the writing was so tiny. I mean, look at that's ridiculous. So I didn't use those for very long. They make great swipe tools. Here we go. I just love the little tiny lacy cells you get with this. Okay, I wonder if I want to fix that. I will. I don't really like swiping twice, but since it's going all the way to the bottom on those other swipes, it would look funny if just that one does not reach. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad I went with a warm white, a light yellow for the background. I think that looks good. Okay, I'll turn this around. And now the cool side. Guess I could save a little time and do 2 stripes. Let's see, is that everything? I have one more Aqua. Okay. I kind of wish I had used a large thing and made 1 swipe so I wouldn't end up with those lines, but that's okay. Fresh card out, and maybe I'll add some more white. Here we go. One card is sufficient. Same thing. I must have dragged my finger through there. What a dope. These gloves are too big. Okay. It's kind of pretty. Now, is there something else I should do? I never like things half and half, so I'm gonna move it a little bit and kind of try to break up these vertical lines as well. So I'm gonna go kind of move it, although I really like the way the cells look just like this, but I gotta change it up too. So let's just try this. I like when the cells kind of squish together like that. It gives kind of a dimensional look. Just move it around too much, you'll end up with straight lines again. I'll get the weight down here. I don't know which side I like better. I like both of them. It's not like I want one side to dominate. I'm almost back where I started. Although there's a little bit of curvature to the lines. I like it. I really wish I had used one wide something or other to swipe that with, so it wouldn't end up with those lines. Because I like this, and I like the movement, but I'm not especially liking those lines. Next time, because I've discovered when you re-swipe it, it doesn't work that well. I don't think it's that successful. So here I go, almost back where I started. How silly. Sure, you're telling me to stop. What I'm trying to do is get this straight line to go away. And so I'm trying to send the weight down there and then over, but everything else is moving a lot instead of that one section. It's go, 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 go. Finally. Oh, I like that. Okay, I think I'll stop there. Yeah, I like it much better now that the straight lines are moved, are curving. I really like this. I like parts of it very much. Let's get down there. Wonderful cells there. See, can you still see if I turn that light off? Yes. Into this deliciousness down here. Purple didn't really come through very much, just that one little section there. But anyway, overall, I like it. I think I'll try again, one more, because I have paint left over. And use one, like a paper towel or one long thing to swipe once with. Okay, my friends, thank you for joining me. Bye now.